Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to install Lenovo docking station, step-by-step laptop dock setup and driver configuration. Step 1. Power the dock. Plug the AC power adapter into the dock and connect the power cord to a wall outlet. The dock's built-in power management will charge your laptop as soon as you connect it. Step 2. Connect your peripherals. Before hooking the dock to your laptop, plug in your external devices. The monitors. Use the DisplayPort or HDMI ports on the back of the dock. Newer Thunderbolt models may also support monitors via USB-C. For accessories, connect your wired or wireless USB mouse and keyboard to the designated USB ports. For Internet, plug an Ethernet cable into the dock's RJ45 port for a stable wired connection. Step 3. Connect to the laptop. Locate the specific USB-C or Thunderbolt cable attached to or provided with your dock. Plug it into the corresponding port on your laptop. Note: for Thunderbolt docks, make sure to use the designated Thunderbolt/computer port on the dock so all the devices communicate properly with your computer. Step 4. Install drivers and configure software. While Windows typically detects the dock and its basic functions automatically, it is highly recommended to download and open Lenovo Vantage. This app will automatically push necessary firmware updates and optimize connected devices. A system reboot may be required after installation. Step 5. Adjust display settings. Once everything is connected, right-click on an empty space on your desktop and select Display Settings. Now scroll down and make sure Extend these display is selected. You can drag and drop the numbered monitor icons to match the physical layout on your desk. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.